Hi friends, how are we? So today we're going to be making a snow globe, a little DIY snow globe. It's so cute. All right, let's jump in. All right, let's start with what you're gonna need. You should have a small little jar, a little polar bear. You should also have a container and it has different types of glitter all mixed in together. You're going to need glue, Elmer's glue. I like the white one, and you'll see why specifically in a minute. So this project's going to take a little bit of time. I would do this step first, and then you're going to have to pause and then let it dry for a couple hours. I'd like to say about 3 or 4, and it's like really nice and hard. So I'm going to show you what we're going to do first. So you're going to take your Elmer's glue, and I'm using this to make snow, which is why I said the white. Doesn't have to be, anything crazy, but see, I have this lovely little white spot, and then you're going to be putting your polar bear in the middle. Press down hard, and then what I'm going to want you to do is just put a little extra near the paws, just to kind of help it cement. And while it's still wet, you're going to want to take some of your glitter, and you don't have to do this, but I think it makes it look pretty. And you're going to put some glitter on the wet glue. After you've let your polar bear dry for a couple hours, it should look like this. See, it's nice and firm. What we're going to do now is start prepping the snow globe itself. So I like to start by adding my glitter. You can put all of it, you can put some of it, it's up to you. But I definitely like to start by doing the glitter part first. Once you have your glitter, all you're going to do is add water. So you're going to want to put it pretty high. This is going to take a little trial and error, so I put it to like one of the lines, and then you're going to want to screw on the top. So what I mean by trial and error is once you screw it on, you're going to see that there's still some room, and so if that's the case, just open it back up and add some more water. So it's okay if some spills, see I have that, but nothing a little quick clean can't fix. You're going to want to make sure that you screw this on very tight. Maybe ask a parent for some help. Shake it up, and you have your snow globe. And there you have it. Here's your little snow globe. I would recommend when you don't have it out, store it like this. Anytime you want to use it, just flip it over. See you next time. Bye.